Tired of scrolling through endless tutorials? Frustrated by complex software and time-consuming techniques? Do you want to share your story or skills with the world? Hi, I'm Yukiko, and I'm here to introduce a new, effortless approach to animation. Imagine creating scroll-stopping animations without any prior experience. A world where you can bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. That's the power of easy animation mastery. In this course, you'll discover how to create your first animation video using your voiceover or text-to-speech. Explore tools like Animaker AI to craft dynamic 2D animations effortlessly. Use the Apple Clips app to add fun, eye-catching animation filters to your videos. Submit your questions for Q&A sessions, where I'll provide personalized feedback on your projects. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what my students are saying.
Such a simple animation tool can do powerful things. We should all utilize this easy platform first, then move on to complex video editing software. I want to create my ebook with easy animation.
Are you ready to unlock your animation potential? Enroll in Easy Animation Mastery today and start creating fun, highly engaging animations. Visit the link on the screen or click the link below to sign up and join a supportive community of creators. Let's get started. See you inside the mastery.
No experience is required. Thanks to AI. Study a faceless video like this. See you inside.